Hey everyone, welcome here. Today I'm going to explaining you a special concept. Top online courses. How to choose. Where you have to focus and selecting online course to start learning in your own pace. Yes, Harisystems is also offering a great online courses which with the help of industry experts who wants to learn a real world skill, who want to be develop and strongly build your future career. So quickly I'm going to taking you a step-by-step process what the criteria you have to choose to start learning. So let me give you a few tips on this. Shall we go? Yeah. The first one, identify the goal. Where you want to choose your goal and how you want to start your career in the programming language or database, where you want to. I would suggest you want to become a Python developer. You want to become a Java developer. And you want to become a C++ strongly potential developer. Yes, this is an essential step you need to choose your way and making your own goals. The next one, reputable platform, all you have to choose. What are the reputable platforms in online courses? Where your certification is possibly validate in more platforms like more software companies like Udemy, Coursera, EDX and Skillshare. Many of the platforms are available nowadays and offering great courses. The flexibility, wherever you are, you can learn. The next one, industry relevant skills. What are the industry relevant skills you are going to be learning? Which are trending? I could say Python is the most popular trending language nowadays. As you know that, and having this skill with you, yes, definitely you will get more opportunities more than others. Yes, Python is also having huge library. And also if you are choosing like a Java, yes, Java is having long potential to start learning. Choose the best way. The next one, practical application. Wherever you are learning, not only book, all you have to apply the learning concepts which are maybe variables, loop statements, strings and object-oriented programming. These all are real-world examples which is explained by industry expert is highly needed. While choosing, learn the demo lectures. If you are comfortable, enroll. Yes, once you are completing the course means all you need to complete successfully a real world application too. Then only you will learn some skill. The next one, flexibility. Many platforms are giving a flexibility greatly wherever you are and learning 24/7 on your own schedule. Yes, learn the practical skills clearly with the flexible time. And the next point we should conclude networking opportunities and stay updated. What the networking opportunities means, some platforms are giving you like a forums, like your clarifications and answers, industry expert answers would be available in that forum where you can solve your many problems and many doubts. This is what exactly the going on in the real world application development environments. And stay updated. Yes, the course is going to be added by creating a course and learning objects which are applied in real world tools. For example, you are learning Java or you are learning Python which is added AI like a generative AI or ChatGPT or Copilot. These AI tools by adding your IDE and making a code generation that will give you a kick as quickly you become a master in your area. So how beautifully, by finding and applying these points while choosing a best online courses, yes, which will switch you from zero to hero. The harisystems is recommending you Java, Advanced Python, object-oriented programming, learn master skills in ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT for programmers, generative AI for programmers, how to apply, using OpenAI to learn Python quickly, how super easily you are generating a code. That will really give you more powerful and strongly helping you a great opportunity. Similarly, learning C++ and Java, these courses, yes, truly will help you greatly. So take your decision and start enrolling today and learning. Thank you.